More rice.
McDonald's, good move. Friday once again. Woohoo! Early dismissal ng mga bata. Maaga tayo mag-pick up ngayon. Time check, ano pa? 11:20. So, what's the best way to start the weekend? Ito, merong bagong pakana, ang McDonald's. Paborito ng mga bata. So, titignan natin ngayon. I hope available. Today is the start of autumn. I don't know. The end of summer. So, we're going somewhere. Hi, your rice meals available?
Rice meals, sir, we don't have right now.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Let's celebrate. Yahoo! And Yahoo! Let's hope they now have it here. Andito ako kanina, umaga, pero wala. Kasi di pa nga available. Ayan oh. Rice meal. Hello po. Try namin yung rice meals.
May beef mushroom po, chicken katsu, crispy teriyaki po, silicone carne, saka beef mushroom gravy po.
So 5 sila lahat, no?
Apo.
Pwede isa-isa nun?
Lahat po?
Apo. Yung 4 lang ang meal. Peach iced tea.
107 po.
Sige po. Thank you. Alright. Mayroon. Para masasarap yung pinagsasabi ni Kabayan. So let's see, yan ang itatry natin. 5 yung kinuha ko, yung 5 pagpipilian na lang namin mamaya. Mayroong mga katsu daw yun. They released it just the other day daw. Sabi nung Kabayan, permanente na daw itong meal na to. So mga rice meals. Tignan natin. Excited na ako eh. Alas 12. Marami sigurong nag-order. Pinalabas ako sa drive-thru kasi di pa daw ready. Oy, ano ba yan, McDo? Someone's coming. I hope this is our order now. 5 rice meals, baby. The drinks complete also? Thank you. Let's go. Which car is this, baby? Lamborghini, the Grinch. A Lamborghini. Bahay na. And ito na yung mga pinag-order. The 5 rice meal options. So ayan, pili-pili na. Buksan na natin. Beef mushroom. Ito na yung beef chili con carne. Ito na yung chicken curry. Ito na yung beef gravy with mushroom still. And this is the chicken teriyaki. Ayan, pili-pili na sila. What do you want, kuya? That's beef gravy. Yeah. Okay. And we're having 4 peach iced tea. Each rice meal, tig 22. 19 lang pag a la carte. Sa 4 na rice meal at isang a la carte, ang binayaran namin 107 dirhams. Lahat kasama na yung VAT nun. Their new variant meal option.
It's good.
It's good. Yep.
Sulit.
Gustuhan namin lahat. Pero, feedback lang, mas masarap pa to kung jasmine rice. Pero okay na rin to. Sarap. Gusto ko yung chili con carne. Sa atin mga Pinoy, mas prefer natin yung jasmine rice kasi mas mabigat ang busog nun. Ito buhag-hag. So kailangan mo pang damihan yung pagkain. Sulit na sulit. Pero masarap naman siya.
More rice.
McDonald's, good move.
They have biodegradable containers. The cover, see? And the container also made of paper. Good job.